Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with LED exterior lighting, a backup camera, side and rear cameras, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, roof ladder, water heater bypass, single slide, generator, outside speakers, bedroom linen closet, pull-out pantry, cab over TV set, toilet area with cabinets, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, entry grab handle, hide-to-bed sofa, flip-up counter, battery disconnect, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, fire extinguisher, satellite prep, rear bedroom, flush mount gas range cover, power windows, carbon monoxide detector, stainless steel kitchen appliances, overhead storage, cable TV hookup, memory foam mattress, designer headboard. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.